Hello, this is Steve West. If you're watching this video, it's because you've expressed a need to build credit. The credit coaches only use two separate techniques to build credit. We use these techniques because they don't cost any interest and they earn interest on one of them and earn savings. There's two things that we recommend. Now, your credit score is based on positive credit. So if you're not building credit or you don't do these things, don't expect that your credit score is going to go up to any crazy number, because you have to have open, active credit in order to have a high credit score. So number one, we want you to get and use a credit card, and we want you to do that on a weekly basis. So we don't want you to do it on a monthly basis. We want to extend the credit history to weekly, not to monthly, by using it to replace expenses: grocery, gasoline, cell phone, cable, insurance. We want you to buy those things with your credit card Monday through Friday, and then on Friday, simply use your grocery, gasoline, cell phone, cable, insurance money to pay those credit cards off. What that does is resets the 25-day grace period, but more importantly, it gives you thousands and thousands of dollars of borrowed and paid back money in a month time. One payment per week is 52 payments per year. That's a lot of transactions happening, and that's where credit score comes from. And because you're using it, paying it weekly, you don't pay no interest. So it doesn't matter if you get a 37% interest credit card, as long as you're using it and paying it weekly, you won't use any interest on there. And so the second thing is we want to put bank credit on your credit report. Now, of course, if your credit score is low, you have issues with just walking into any bank, but we have banks that work with us. The main one I want you to use is Iberia Bank. Iberia Bank is a bank that will take $2,500 of their money and put it in a CD in your name. A CD is an interest-bearing account. In other words, if you put $2,500 into a CD, it earns interest. And then what we want you to do is we want you to take, and we're going to create a sort of loan where they're going to report every month that you put money into that savings account. They're going to report that you're actually making payments on a $2,500 loan. Looks like credit, acts like credit, scores like credit. The only thing that you're doing is building savings by putting money into that CD every month, and you're also building credit because they're going to report to all three of your credit reports. Now, if you're a couple, do it together and it'll report to all 6 of your credit bureaus. And so you determine on that $2,500 CD loan whether you want to put $160 in each month or whether you want to put $90 in each month. If you take it out for 12 months, it's around the $160 range. If you take it out for 24 months, it's about the $90 range. At some point, though, you need to get that CD loan, make it affordable for yourself, so you're building credit, you're building savings, you're building credit with the CD loan and the credit card, and you don't have to get yourself in debt to have a high credit score. These techniques are what I use. These techniques are what I teach my kids to use. All our employees use these techniques, and everybody's got high credit scores without having to go out and get car loans, and you definitely don't want to use finance and finance companies, things like that. Hopefully this helps you to build credit. Again, credit card, CD loans, the only thing I expect you to do. So the concept here is, as I'm getting negative things off your credit reports, you got positive things popping up that's going to get you that high credit score. You don't have to wait until the program's finished as far as getting the negative things off your credit report. You can start immediately from the time you sign up. Hope this video helped you. Have a fantastic day.